Take 3. Alright, welcome back. It's been a minute since I posted my last video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be posting more videos about tech gear and I don't know, whatever else I can think of this quarantine. But yeah, to get in the gist of the video, we're gonna be reviewing the Neewer 21-inch something light. It's a really long name. Put it on the screen. Alright. Now, let me just break it down. Pros and cons. This is I believe the 21-inch is referred to the circumference of the light. Some pros of this light are it's a flapjack circular LED panel, so some inherent advantages with this design are that it's lightweight, easy to set up, portable. What else? So it doesn't have a fan, so it's good for audio recording, as well as it's got wall power, and then it could take a V mount or NPF batteries if you purchase the Sony NPF battery plate with it. It's bicolor as well, so it's versatile, 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. It's got a good CRI, so that's color rendering index, so it's gonna give you good color accuracy. CRI 95 plus. I don't have a spectrophotometer to measure that, so I'm just gonna take the manufacturer's word for it. And in my videos, it looks pretty decent, so I believe it's true. Another handy thing is it comes with a remote. You can adjust the channel this light's on, as well as the color temperature and the brightness of it. And with that, you can adjust the. Let me just show you. You can adjust the light in 1% increments, and then you can adjust the Kelvin or the color temperature in increments of 100, which is great. And then there's no flickering from this light, from what I've noticed, so that's always a plus. Otherwise, I would probably just return the light if it was flickering and it was all weird and stuff. I'll get into that later about like some durability things. But so far the build quality is solid. It's mostly plastics, and then the hinge bracket that's on the light stand is metal, I believe. And then and then with this type of light, it has honeycomb diffusion, similar to like the Falcon Eyes SO48TD, 28TD series of lights, if you guys know that. And so you don't really need to have diffusion because it's already diffused when the light shoots out at you. And but I just add like another sheet of diffusion on top of it, just because I'm going for a softer light, as soft as a key light I can get, because that's the look I like. And then let's see. Did I say no noise? Yeah, because it's an LED panel, no fan. Then some disadvantages based on this form factor of a flapjack light. You can't really shape the light. I mean, you could do like DIY workaround solutions. Like, there's no easy way to put barn doors on here, or easy way to attach a softbox in like a grid so you can shape the light from stopping it from falling on the background, if that's like the look you're going for. And then some other disadvantages, the remote's kind of cheap feeling, so I definitely wouldn't toss this around. Also, a minor quirk I had, which is not really that big of a deal, I just thought I might point it out, is that the settings you change on here don't sync with the settings you change on the panel. So, I mean, I mostly control it from the remote, so it's not a big deal for me, but just know that if you set it on the panel differently and then you go here, the panel will revert to the settings last set on the remote. So that was just a minor quirk I found. And then durability, so it's been pretty good for me. I mean, obviously the light works for me. But on Amazon, I was reviewing other people's reviews. There's this one person whose light went out, I guess, but I mean, for me it hasn't. And this is my usage case, is that I only leave this light on for like 30 minutes to an hour max, and I usually don't go up to I don't crank it up to 100%, so it doesn't really heat up that much. I mostly keep it around like 20 to 30%, and the light's about 3.5 feet from me, so you know, I'm not really using this light to its full maximum light output. And then, let's see, another disadvantage might be just that, I don't know, it's bicolor, so you won't get the most maximum light output, but I mean, that's just kind of like something that's inherently known with bicolor lights versus like a light that's just a single color temperature, like the Aperture 120 is like 5500 Kelvin, and that light output is like way more than this LED panel is going to be. But I don't really need that for what I do right now. I mean, obviously I want to someday get the COB light like an Aperture 120D or that Godox VL150 that just dropped. Looks sweet, but this is more than sufficient for my needs. Yeah, in summary, this is a great light. I like it over ring lights that a lot of YouTubers use, and it's a great budget option as well, coming in at around $130 when I bought it, but on Amazon when I last checked it was $140, so it's relatively affordable for what it is. And I like it over ring lights just because the catch light in my eye, if you pay attention, is a circle that's all filled in, so that just seems more natural looking to me than a ring light which has like the circle but it's like cut out, which is kind of distracting. It's just a minor preference, aesthetic preference I choose. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully this video is interesting and my B-roll was okay. Working on these videos, trying to bring more educational and informative content that you guys can learn from and relate to. So let me know what you guys want to see in the next video and any constructive feedback you have. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.